In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect SafePal to Aster DEX. Now, first you need to go to Aster's official website, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. So here, once you are on the Aster DEX, you can just go ahead and first select the network or chain you'd like to use. So here you have BNB chain, Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Solana. So SafePal actually does support all four of these, so you can just select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go for BNB chain right now. And then the first thing you have to do after this, of course, you have to install the extension of SafePal to your browser. So for me, I'm using Chrome. If you're using Chrome as well, you can just go to the Chrome Web Store and then get the SafePal extension wallet from there. And after this, you're ready to go. Click on the Connect Wallet button, and then here you want to actually find your SafePal wallet. Okay, so if it's not showing, click on View All Wallets, and it should be down here. Click on it. And then once you do this, you can just click on the connect button, and there we go. You're gonna have to basically send a request, sign a message, just send this request, click on sign yet again, and just like this, as you can see, I'm now connected with my SafePal wallet over here. And I can go ahead and of course switch the networks as well, just like this. It's going to switch between them and my wallet stays connected, okay? So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.